Hey guys, today we're going to be reading Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons, written by Eric Litwin and art by James Dean. Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. Let's listen to his song. My 4 groovy buttons. My 4 groovy buttons. Do you guys like his song? Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left now? That's right, 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. Do you guys want to try singing with me this time? My 3 groovy buttons. My 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left now? That's right, 2. 3, take away 1, you're left with 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. Let's sing it, you guys. My 2 groovy buttons. My 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left now, you guys? 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. Let's sing it. My 1 groovy button. My 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? What do you guys think he saw when he looked down? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. My button still had my belly button. My button still had my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. The end. So what's something that you guys learned from listening to this story? Do you think it's okay to have a good attitude even when situations may look bad like Pete did, and we can just keep on singing?